excited. I'm pouring a strong drink, and you know what? It's not because I'm sad, it's because I'm happy. This deserves a proper drink. You guys know that the fight for abortion rights has been at the forefront of everything I've been doing with my content. And I am so excited to share with you this fantastic campaign that has been powered by Saie. So I would like us to give a round of freaking applause to Saie Beauty, because they have launched the Everybody campaign. This is the largest beauty industry backed abortion rights campaign. Saie has collaborated with 35 different pro-choice brands, and they were kind enough to send me a ginormous box of some products from those brands. So I'm gonna just read to you what Saie sent to me, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna say it better than I could ever say it. We are banding together with over 35 beauty brands to protect everybody's right to choose, because reproductive rights are human rights. In partnership with reproductive justice collective SisterSong, 100% of proceeds from every purchase will fight for reproductive freedom and support those affected by the reversal of Roe v. Wade. SisterSong is the largest multi-ethnic reproductive justice collective in the nation. They activate networks of individuals and organizations to improve institutional policies and systems that impact the reproductive lives of marginalized communities. Join us in the fight for reproductive justice for everybody, everywhere. This is the launch day of this campaign, and I have been looking forward to this for the last few weeks. When Saie contacted me and asked me to be a part of this campaign, I can't even tell you, like, my jaw was agape. I just felt so lucky to be included as a smaller influencer. And as I said, you guys know how important this is to me. So I was just like over the moon. I also had the amazing opportunity to be a part of a Zoom call that was led by Lainey Crowell, who is the CEO and founder of Saie, along with, I believe, the founder of SisterSong. It was such an amazing phone call. I think there are about between 70 and 80 influencers who are there, who are a part of this. We want to be loud and proud. We want other brands to look at this and be like, we're an idiot. Why are we not a part of this? Why are we not supporting this deadly human rights issue? Okay, so I'm gonna really quickly do a speed read through of the brands that are a part of this. I have a box full of goodies. It doesn't have something from all 35 brands, but I think I have about like between 10 and 15 products that they sent me. The brands that are a part of this campaign are as follows. Of course, Saie, Youth to the People, Versed, Veracity, Topicals, The Outset, The Inky List, 10 over 10, Pros, Fleur, The New Company, Net, Megababe, Make, Mod, Tinted, Kapari, Kinfield, Josie Moran, Kate McLeod, Jouet, Herbivore, Hatch, Glow Recipe, Fortuna Skin, Freck, Fable and Maine, Callie Ray, by Rosie Jane, Alpen Beauty, Mented, Iris and Romeo, Necessaire, Keys Soul Care, Pacifica, Elf, and Well People. And I'm going to be adding a lot of these brands that I didn't currently have on my pro-choice list. Obviously, I'm going to be adding them onto my list when I put up my next version. So this is very exciting for so many reasons. So this is how this works. I'm going to show you the products that they sent me. A lot of it is skincare and a lot of it is stuff I have never tried. So I'm very, very excited about that. I was going to do a get ready with me, but obviously, because a lot of it is skincare, that doesn't really make sense. This is the box. Do you see this? This is huge. And I love it. I love it. Look at it. It says, because abortion rights are human rights. I don't know if you can see right here, but it says, open here, stay loud, be clear. Each brand has changed the color of their product packaging to this green. Lainey chose this color because it's representative of the green bandanas and the smoke that are found at protests. So there is a website for this campaign, and I'm going to link that down below in the description box. You can go to this website, learn more about the campaign, and you can purchase anything from the collection on that website. You can also purchase through the websites of the brands themselves, and all of that is going to be down below. It'll be pretty self-explanatory. So let's get going. I want to see all the fun stuff that they sent my way. Okay, this is a brand I'm very excited about because I swear by their eye balm. This is Versed, and they sent their Recovery Mode Advanced Night Cream. Good for aging skin and dryness. Okay. Fermented purple tea, green coffee, and microalgae. Iris and Romeo, another brand I am not familiar with, they are on my Prochoice list already. It says apply daily as the last step in your skincare routine or wear under best skin days. Okay, so this is also like a gripping primer as well, sort of like a skincare makeup hybrid. This is what Pacifica contributed. These two items did not come in the green packaging, but this is Pacifica's vegan collagen body milk spray. This is great because I'm going to tell you something right now. This is a lot of body to cover with lotion. I know this sounds lame as hell, but some days I'm just that lazy. Vegan collagen and flower extracts and powerhouse antioxidants. And another brand I don't think I've ever tried anything from. This brand's name is absolutely amazing. It's called Mega Babe. Never heard of that. This is the Smoothie Deodorant Fruit Enzyme Daily Deodorant with bilberry, lemon, and orange. I've never done a natural deodorant and ooh, that smells good. Damn. I want to be into it. I feel like it's the right thing to do. But as you guys know, I'm a sweaty beast. So we'll see. I'll have to put aside my clinical deodorant for a second. Okay, next we have Josie Moran. I know so many people who swear by this argan oil. I feel like this is what she's known for, right? So this is the 100% pure argan oil, an organic moisturizing oil. You guys know I live for a facial oil. Perfect. Another brand I have never heard of. This is called Alpen Beauty Wild Crafted Actives. This is a triple C brightening bounce cream. Wow, what is going on? Oh my God, it's like a jelly. How interesting. Oh, it's cream. Inside this box is supercharged plant power, our proprietary complex of wild crafted and hand cultivated. Oh my God, this is made in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. I spent a lot of time in Jackson Hole because I did theater there when I was younger and I went to school in Wyoming, so it's near and dear to my heart. Oh, I like this even more now. Okay, so it's grown at elevation in the mountains of Jackson Hole, Wyoming and contains the hardest working, most resilient plants in the world. All right, I'm sold. What did I tell you? A lot of skincare, right? So this is very exciting and probably the largest thing in the box. This is from Cate McLeod, and this is a sex stone, a body moisturizer with argan oil. Okay. Our solid body moisturizer melts on contact and intensely nourishes dry, cracked, or irritated skin. Let me see what's going on in here. Look at that packaging. This is nice. I see. Okay, so this is encouraging intimacy, play, and exploration, and it is enriched with argan oil, and it's for dry, thirsty skin. I am on pins and needs here. Oh my God. Okay, this is reminding me of those fabulous massage bars at Lush that I love so much. Okay, Cate McLeod and your sex stone, I'm into it. Okay, costume change. My hair is pissing me off, so I put it in a head wrap. This is something I am so excited about because this is from the outset and I've been wanting to try this. This is Scarlett Johansson's skincare brand. So this is the Firming Vegan Prep Serum. I was gonna make a joke about how I'm gonna have to add this into my, 42-step skincare regimen, but honestly, my skincare regimen has been pared down a little bit and simplified, and it's so much better. And I've had to get rid of a lot of my skincare. So I really am looking for a nice hydrating serum or serums to add in. So this is definitely going to be a part of that. I think this is a brand that State of Cate has talked about before. This is the Make Serum Balm, and this is the shade Halo Moon. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it looks like it's a really pretty sort of, oh, interesting. Okay, is it just like a clear balm? Okay, why don't you read the box? How about that? This serum lip product provides instant hydration while softening, smoothing, and plumping. Okay, so this is a lip treatment, understood. It does have just like, you can see a little bit of like a really, really clear sort of light pink tint. Just gonna make those lips real plushes. Pillowy. It's not Prochoice, is Laneige. And I have been very sad about that. I've been using up my Laneige because it is my go-to lip treatment. I use it several times a day. And I'm hoping maybe this can take its place. I mean, I like how my lips look, that's for damn sure. Okay, so these are the last two items in the box. Again, I just want to reiterate that the brands I talked about that are part of this not all of them sent me their products. So once you go down to my description box, click on the link that takes you to the website for these things, you'll be able to see what the other brands are offering as well. I just want to make it really clear that I don't have all of the products here. So this is from Jouer, and I'm so excited to learn that they're pro-choice because this is a brand that so many people love, and I just like never got into it, and then I was like, oh, well, never mind, but good to know. Okay, so this is their Blush Bouquet Rose Gold Dual Blush Palette. Okay, this packaging, like what's even happening? That's stunning. Am I gonna ever argue with like a gorgeous blush palette? Look at how beautiful it looks. This is a duo of velvety smooth complementary shimmer blushes that deliver full pigment color and blend to a perfect finish. Talc-free, vitamin-y, and vegan. And the shades are Marigold and Rose Petal. Strangely enough, I kind of don't have a lot of powder blushes that I can use. I have a lot of like creams and liquids and things like that, but this is great. This is great. So I can add this in with my Gucci blushes this winter. Also, look at the packaging. Like, did they take a cue from Gucci? It's stunning. Okay, so this is from Mented, and this is the semi-matte lipstick, Nude La La. Again, never tried anything from Mented. Have you guys? I love this matte container. I'm all about that. Look, that matte with that gold. Okay, you better send me a fall color that breaks me out of my comfort zone, Mented. Oh my God. That is a pumpkin spice delight. Ooh, and look at how it is when you buff it out. Okay, I can't wait to try this. This is gorgeous. So, so pretty. Okay, sweet. Honestly, I'm a little sweaty. Let's throw this on. It smells like a delight. Okay, guys, so that's everything that was in my Everybody campaign box. Guys, please get out there and support this. Please click on the links in my description box. Share this. We want as many people to know about this as possible. Millions and millions and millions of people can be impacted by this if we spread the word. So please, please just be vocal. Again, 100% of everything you give your money to is going to go to abortion rights, which is bananas. Thank you guys so much for continuing to prove to me that you are the best audience on YouTube. Point blank. Please stay safe out there, and cheers till next time. Bye. Woo.